A very good morning to all of you. This is sixth video for the revision of the unit number system. Here in this video, again I am going to consider the multiple choice question with only one right answer. Let us proceed with the questions. Here in first I have root 10 into root 15. It is equal to, we are supposed to find its value. If we are going to find its prime factor, we can write it as root under 5 into 2 into root under 5 into 3, which will give us 5 into root 2 into root 3, which is equal to 5 into root 6. That is option A is right, 5 root 6. Next question we have fifth root of 6 into fifth root of 6. It is equal to, here we have the same base, so the power should be added. So we can write here as 6 to the power 1 by 5 into 6 to the power 1 by 5. It is equal to 6 into 6 whole raised to the power 1 by 5. It is fifth root 36. So the right answer is A here in this case. Moving towards the next set of questions. Here we have the rationalizing factor of root 3 is, we will have to find the rationalizing factor. We have already discussed in our topics when I was discussing it. Rationalizing factor for root 3, it is 1 by root 3. Next question, rationalizing factor of 2 plus root 3. So clearly from here, rationalizing factor for 2 plus root 3, it is 2 minus root 3. That is option A is right here in this situation. Next question we have x is equal to root 5 plus 2. Then find the value of x minus 1 by x. In this case, first of all, we will find the value of 1 by x, which is equal to, after rationalizing the denominator, we will get 1 by x equal to root 5 minus 2. So putting the values for x minus 1 by x, we have root 5 plus 2 minus root 5 plus 2. So it is root 5 and minus root 5 will be cancelled and we are left with only 4. So the right answer is B here in this situation. Next question we have the simplest rationalizing factor of cube root 500 is. So for finding the rationalizing factor of this, first of all we will have to find its prime factors. That is cube root of 500 can be also written as cube root of 5 into 5 into 5 into 2 into 2. That is 5 is already for 3 times, but 2 is only for 2 times. But for finding the cube root, we must have that same number how many times? 3 times. It means cube root 2 is the simplest rationalizing factor for given number. So the right answer is A, that is cube root 2. Next we have the simplest rationalizing factor for root 3 plus root 5. It is conjugate of it. Simply if it is root 3 plus root 5, it should be root 3 minus root 5. So the right answer is C, that is root 3 minus root 5. Next we have the simplest rationalizing factor of 2 root 5 minus root 3 is. In the same way, we have the rationalizing factor for this is what? 2 root 5 plus root 3. That is option B is right here in this situation. Now let us consider next set of questions. Here we have find the value of 1 divided by root 9 minus root 8. So root 9 minus root 8, it can also be written as 1 by 3 minus 2 root 2. So once if we are going to rationalize it, we will get its value after rationalizing 3 plus 2 root 2. That is, we will multiply numerator and denominator by 3 plus 2 root 2. Then we will get 3 plus 2 root 2 because in denominator we will have only 1. So the right answer is A. Now for next question, it is find the value of root 48 plus root 32 divided by root 27 plus root 18. So root 48 can also be written as root under 16 into 3. Root 32 can be written as root under 16 into 2. In the same way, root 27 can be written as root under 9 into 3. Root 18 can be written as root under 9 into 2. So we have in the numerator 4 root 3 plus 4 root 2 divided by 3 root 3 in denominator 3 root 3 plus 3 root 2. It is equal to, if we take 4 in the numerator as common and 3 in the denominator as common, we will have 4 by 3 as common. So we are left with in numerator root 3 plus root 2 divided by in denominator root 3 plus root 2, which will cancel one another, and we are having finally 4 by 3. So the right answer is A, that is equal to 4 by 3. Now let us consider one more type of question, and that is the value of root under 3 minus 2 root 2 is. In this case, we can express 3 minus 2 root 2 as root 2 minus 1 whole square. Observe it carefully. 3 minus 2 root 2 can also be expressed or written as root 2 minus 1 whole square. So if we will find the square root of it, so this square will be cancelled, so we are left with root 2 minus 1. So a square root of 3 minus 2 root 2, it is equal to root 2 minus 1. That is answer A. It is right here in this case. Next question, find the value of square root of 5 plus 2 root 6. Now observe, 5 plus 2 root 6 can also be written as root 3 plus root 2 whole square. Therefore a square root of root 3 plus root 2 whole square, it is equal to root 3 plus root 2. So option B, it is right here in this case. And all the best for your online examination. Thank you for today.